In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a percent sign to a number in Tableau. Whether you're creating reports or visualizations, adding a percent sign can effectively convey the data's meaning. Let's dive into the easy steps that will guide you to carry out this task. First things first, open the Tableau public app on your computer. If you're not already familiar with it, Tableau is a powerful tool used to transform raw data into an understandable format. Once you've launched the app, you'll need to access your desired worksheet. Navigate to the specific file where your data resides and choose the particular sheet you're working on. The trick here is to ensure you're on the correct sheet to avoid unnecessary adjustments later on. Now that you have your worksheet open, you need to focus on the measure values. Let's say you're working with profit data. What you'll want to do is select a measure value such as profit. Once you've identified the measure, right-click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option to duplicate. It's essential to duplicate the measure value to avoid any alteration of the original data, which helps in keeping your data analysis intact. After you've duplicated the measure value, the newly duplicated version needs to find its place in the measure values field. You can do this simply by dragging it over to where it conveniently fits. The purpose of this step is to ensure that you can format the duplicate without affecting the original measure value. The next crucial step is to format this duplicated measure value. With the duplicated measure value selected, right-click again and choose the Format option from the drop-down menu. This action will bring you to the formatting pane, which is key to adding that percent sign. Once you're in the formatting pane, direct your attention to locating numbers within the pane options. Here is where you'll perform the customization for the percent sign. From the numbers dropdown, you'll want to select Number Custom, which will allow you to personalize the format of your data display. In the Custom field, you can add a quote and a percent sign after the digit. This step is vital as it dictates the way your numerical value will be presented with an appended percent sign. With these settings, your data will not just reflect numbers, but will convey a clearer sense of magnitude in percentage terms. And just like that, you've successfully added a percent sign to a number in Tableau. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your data visualization, giving stakeholders a better understanding of your insights. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tips to simplify your Tableau experience.